Beneath the surface of every field lies an invisible variable that dictates the success of your harvest. Soil compaction. When soil becomes densely packed, it forms a hardpan. This rigid layer chokes root development, severely restricts water infiltration, and locks away vital nutrients. You might be applying the right fertilizers and the right seed, but if your roots can't breathe, your yield is already compromised. Identifying these compacted zones is critical, but the traditional methods are fundamentally flawed. Manual penetrometers rely entirely on human force. Maintaining a consistent penetration speed is physically impossible, leading to erratic, unreliable data that compromises your agronomic decisions. The alternative? Fully digital surveying rigs that cost a fortune, putting accurate soil mapping out of reach from many operations. There is a smarter way to map your soil. Introducing CoMap. CoMap is a fully automated, georeferenced soil penetrometer designed to reduce human error and deliver laboratory-grade precision directly to the field, all at a fraction of the traditional cost. No more guesswork. No more manual labor. Engineered for reliability, CoMap operates strictly to agronomic standards. A powerful 24-volt motor and precision trapezoidal lead screws drive the probe downward at a consistent, constant speed. As it penetrates, an integrated load cell captures resistance data in real time, while a high-accuracy magnetic encoder tracks depth down to the millimeter. Simultaneously, the onboard GPS module locks in your precise geographic coordinates, saving every cycle securely to local storage. But data is only as good as the insights it provides. Back at the office, CoMap's dedicated desktop software transforms your raw field data into clear, actionable intelligence. It automatically generates localized 2D heat maps, sliced by specific depth layers. You can instantly pinpoint exactly where the critical compaction layers are located across your entire farm, allowing you to target your subsoiling efforts only where they are actually needed. Stop guessing what lies beneath the surface. Automate your analysis, optimize your soil structure, and maximize your yield. CoMap. Precision Soil Intelligence. Made accessible.